Luscombe Suzuki Leeds are very proud to be able to present to the market this absolutely beautiful Suzuki Vitara 1.4 S all grip. This was Suzuki's flagship model and was the first car to have the 1.4 booster jet engine, which our customers love, and they tell us it's great. It's got bottom end torque, it's got great power and the fuel consumption to go with it. Being the flagship model, it had the 17-inch black alloys, which contrast beautifully with the pearlescent white metallic paint. It has the black side mouldings to prevent chips to the car. Easy access with wide opening doors via the keyless entry. It also has keyless start. At the rear of the car you have a colour coded spoiler, and the car has front and rear parking sensors for easy parking, ably assisted by the colour reversing camera on the 7-inch infotainment system screen. Has dark tinted windows to keep the glare of the sun out. Now the car has full service history, and before it's delivered to its new owner we'll ensure it's fully serviced, and it'll come with a full 12-month MOT carried out by one of our factory trained technicians. Going into the car, it has an array of extras. When you go in, you can see it has the half leather suede seats, which are very comfortable and easy to clean. There we have the 7-inch infotainment system, which houses the DAB radio, the Bluetooth, the Sat Nav and the Apple CarPlay, and when you put the car into reverse it'll show the rear camera. It has a 6-speed gearbox, and there is the all grip system. The car has dual climate control. Moving over onto the multifunction steering wheel, you have radio controls, Bluetooth controls and cruise control with limiter, all available at your fingertips. So that's the car. We can't wait to see you down here. Come and have a look, have a test drive, and let us know what you think. Thank you very much. Bye bye.